YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Now I know your girl looked kind of crazy. I feel like I just woke up. I faked it, but y'all, as y'all can see by the background, I am not upstate. I am back at home because I am preparing for graduation, y'all. Graduation is officially 1 week away, so welcome to my graduation maintenance vlog. So for today specifically, I'm going to run out to the store and I'm going to get some supplies to graduate my cap. So I don't know if y'all can see it right now, but so far I drew half a brain and it says I chose the psycho, like, you know, like psychology, but like psycho path. But yeah, so we're gonna get some paint and stuff to dazzle this up because I served my time. I deserve to decorate my cap. So I'm gonna run out and get some supplies for that. Y'all, May has been so hectic between Cinco de Mayo, graduation. Mother's Day is literally this Sunday, so I'm gonna go and get my mama her card. I made her a card, I gotta print it out, so I'm gonna go pick that up too. But for right now, I'm gonna just go and get myself together. I wanna go out real quick and I wanna come back so I can get started on my cap. I can't believe how fast graduation came. Like, just yesterday, my parents were literally like dropping me off on campus. Like, it's so crazy. I ordered my dress. It comes tomorrow. So I'm gonna try that on. I literally only have my outfit for my first graduation. So we have 2 days. I graduate on Thursday, right along with my other like psychology majors. I graduate at 2 o'clock. And then Saturday is the worldwide campus graduation. So I gotta find me an outfit for that one. I just found one for Thursday specifically, but I don't know. I'm not gonna wear nothing crazy because we're gonna be sitting on the chairs on the lawn. And I think that they said that graduation is probably like 30 minutes at most. Like, it's just gonna be like the presidents and stuff talking and stuff. And then we're gonna throw our caps up. Not me though, because I'm decorating mine. I need to keep mine. I booked me a hair appointment. Ooh, I dropped off my wig yesterday and it's getting started. I can't wait to see what my wig is gonna look like. My hair appointment is on Monday. So I'm thinking because graduation is on Thursday, I'll probably leave to go back up there Wednesday. I have to book a nail appointment, y'all. Look at me, missing one nail right here. So I'm definitely gonna book me a nail appointment. Unfortunately, Jada is booked up. And yeah, the dates that she do have available, I won't be upstate, so I have to settle for somebody else down here. I think I'm gonna try the nail and lash bar that I went to when it first opened up at Gateway that I showed you guys before, because I know that they do great nails in there. You know how usually like local nail salon spots, like they don't really give you what you ask for, but it seems like that spot will. So I might actually run over there today and see if I can make an appointment and if they can like show me proof of like people's nails that they have done. But I also met a girl that works in there. I found her on Instagram, so maybe I could book an appointment with her, maybe, possibly. I don't want nothing crazy. I really just want short French tips to match my toes, because my toes got French tip on them. Yeah, maybe I might run over there. Why not? If I'm already outside, I might as well just do all the errands I possibly can. I literally have to order my eyelashes, my eyelash clusters. I finally found my original eyelash cluster that I love, like, cause y'all know I like the natural looking eyelashes. I seen them back on Amazon, y'all. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and order them while I can before they take them back off. Oh my gosh, my sunscreen keep leaving white residue on my face and I don't know why. Got a lot to do this weekend, y'all. I'm so nervous because I want to get everything done. I literally had to write down my iPad to make sure I do everything. Okay, so I'm thinking if I get my hair done Monday, do I want to go get my nails done on Tuesday? Or do I want to get my nails done the same day I get my hair done? I don't know. I'm not gonna think about that right now, so let me just hurry up and get out the door so I could come back from these errands. Okay, y'all, so I just touched down in Five Below. And they got a wide variety of paint and stuff. I don't know if I want to get the 30 count or if I want to get like the 24 count. This is acrylic paint. Hold on. Both is acrylic paint. But I only really need 3 colors. That's why I don't really want to get like a big pack. But it's like, I might as well. And they got the paint brushes too. Okay, I might want to get this set right here, even though I don't need all of these paint brushes. And I don't know if I want this one. I don't want the glow one, definitely not. I don't know if I want to get this one right here, or if I want to get this one right here. This one is looking more like, I don't know, professional to me. I don't know if because it got like the black background or anything, but I don't know, y'all. This is so hard. Okay, y'all, so it's later in the day, and I decided that I was gonna get this set, and I was gonna get this set as well. So they gave me 15 brushes, and I have 24 acrylic paints here. I'm only really gonna need like 3 colors for real, but, well, I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how I design it. But now that I think about it, I probably should have got one of those like paint palettes for me to squeeze out the paint. These are the paint colors. So I laid me down a garbage bag, and I already have my design like drawn out. I don't know why my cap looks like wrinkly. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, I'm gonna get it started on the brain. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish it today, but I'm definitely gonna start it today. So let's get started. Okay, maybe after a couple hours, y'all, this is what I got so far. I was having some problems because I come to realize that the top row of these paints was like solid colors, and the bottom was kind of like shimmer, and it so happens that the pink that I needed to use had sparkles in it, so it was kind of like sheer, but it's also kind of my fault. Y'all, look how much paint is left in it. Nearly nothing. I should have painted it kind of white first, then put the color on top. But I don't think it looks bad. I just don't like the little shimmer thing, because let me see, from a distance you get the pink, and then certain ways you turn it. I don't know if it's because the light is on and it's reflecting off of it, but it's, I don't know. But this is what I got so far. I think this is all I'm gonna do for tonight because I'm kind of tired. So I'm gonna continue decorating this tomorrow, and I guess I'll decide if whether or not I wanna go get like regular pink paint to use. But so far, do y'all see the vision of the rain? A little bit? Tiny? Okay, but yeah. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. This is how it turned out. What do you guys think? You like it? I don't know if this is all I want. I feel like this is like kind of plain, but if I add more to it, I'll show you guys. But for right now, this is our design for our cap. I want to show you guys my stole slash sash. I've seen like people call it a stole, like the organizations on campus be like, oh, order your stoles, and it'd be like the sash thing, and when you look it up it says sash. So I don't really know what it's called, stole, sash, whatever it is. Let me show you guys what I have. The first one I have is from my living learning community. As an incoming freshman, I came in through the LLC, so basically I just lived amongst like others that had the same major as me, and I lived in the psychology LLC. So this is what it says. It says student engagement, University at Albany, undergraduate education, LLC, Live and Learning Community. That's what LLC stands for. My second one, of course, Black Girl Magic, cause period. Black Graduates Matter. Say class of 2025 on it. And then this is the last one I have. This one is like my favorite one. It's purple like the school and stuff. Wait, oh. How do I always struggle to put this on? Okay, forget it, never mind. So it says Bachelor's of Arts, because that's what I'm getting. I'm getting a BA, not a BS, in psychology. And then, yeah, we got the class, and then we got the U Albany logo right there. My graduation dress just came, so I'm gonna try that on. Hopefully I like the way it looks. If I do, then that means I only have to find one more outfit, and that's just for the lawn graduation. We just stayed on the lawn. I'm not gonna have to walk the stage, so I don't really care how like my outfit looks for that day, because once we leave from now on, I know I'm gonna take them clothes off. Anyway, Mother's Day is in 2 days, so let me show you guys the card I got made for my mom. I got you this card instead of grandkids. Happy Mother's Day. She's gonna love this, but she might actually hate it because she actually wants grandkids, but no. I can't wait to see her reaction on this. I don't know if she gonna laugh. I don't know if she gonna be looking at me like, girl, is you okay? Is you cool? We're gonna see though, and Sunday come. I'm gonna check back with y'all. We're gonna get her reaction.
Did you make this card?
Yeah.
That's good though. I got you make a card and I got you make me a card and buy me a card. I got you this card instead.
What you holding your head for?
Can you get my glasses?
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too small for you?
What's that?
What do you, Ma, it's not it says I got you this card instead of grandkids, and it says not pregnant.
Oh.
What?
Yo, you know your passport something.
Yeah, I know it's here.
You ain't got no glasses here. You got glasses upstairs?
Yeah. Yeah, you did. You put a lot of humor. Cause as soon as I seen that, I was like, "You see my face?"
Yeah, that's why I'm like, why her face look like that? Good morning, y'all. So today is Monday, and as you guys can see, my nails are off. No more eyelashes. It is currently 9:56 in the morning. The nail salon I'm going to opens up at 10. I'm hoping it's not too crowded because it's Monday, but you know, you never know because it's really a top quality nail salon. I'm gonna get my hands and my toes done. I already washed my hair last night. My mom gave me a fresh braid down for my appointment today at 6 o'clock. I finished my cap last night. Let me show you guys my cap. How y'all like it? With that rhinestone. So I added the lightning bolts. And then I added some rhinestones at the end. And this is all I'm gonna do with my cap. I'm not gonna do nothing else because, yeah, there's no need to. The nail salon opened up at 10 and it literally opens up in 3 minutes. I'm gonna go get myself ready and I'm gonna catch you guys when I get there. I am so satisfied with my nails, y'all. You know, usually the nail salons don't do what they're supposed to do. Like, this is what I asked for, and then this is what I got. Like, per usual, they did my toes great. My pink is a little different on my toes, but that's not a problem, right? Let's tip on the toes. Is that weird me showing my toes? Now I just have to wait until it's time for my appointment. I got some time to relax, get something to eat, because I didn't eat nothing. It's 1:30 and my appointment's at 6, so I'm gonna see you guys later. All right, so I know I said I was gonna see you guys at my hair appointment, but I just realized I got no lashes on my face. I can't have no fresh install without no lashes. So these are the individual lashes I ordered from Amazon. This is the name of the company. I like these lashes because it gives me like a natural look, because I don't like too much like lashes, but I need something on my face. So before Trump was president, these lashes was literally like maybe $8. They don't went up to $12, y'all. So I'm just glad that they're back, because when that man got into the office, this was missing on Amazon. So thank you for whoever bought them back. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do my lashes real quick. Okay, y'all, so this is one layer. I'm just gonna do one layer for today. I'll probably add another layer for graduation, but yeah, I just wanted like a little natural look. Yeah, and it literally took me under like 5 minutes. Okay, it literally took me under 10 minutes to do so. Yeah, and this is like literally just one row of lashes. This is literally my favorite lash custom brand ever. Like, I love this. I wish I could like buy it in like a bigger bulk, like get like 1,000 or something, but yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later for my hair appointment. I love my hair, y'all. Like, hold on. Is she 30 inches, babe? 30 got me feel like it's 40. But as you guys could tell, I'm gonna close the video right here. Graduation is officially 2 days away. So I wanna finish preparing and stuff. I wanna make sure I got all my stuff together. And I'm bringing everything that I need for graduation up with me. Make sure you guys follow that page and book you guys an appointment. Cause yeah, I literally could not find this type of wig that I wanted. And my girl customized it just for me. Like, and it's literally perfect. Like, I love it like this, yo. Cause I wanted some color for graduation, but I didn't want like too much being that it was graduation. This is like the perfect blend for me. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post. And I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed, y'all. Ooh, just wait till I throw some curls in this. Let me get back to closing the video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post. And I'll see you guys at graduation. Bye.